Hi guys, welcome back to the Baby Cubby. I'm Ari. As you can see, we're not at the store or at the office. We're at a park. This is actually a park near my house. And today we're here because I finally got my Nuna TRVL Stroller. I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting for this stroller for so long and it finally came to my door. So today I'm gonna unbox it for you. Let's get started. Discover the world with style. Okay, the first thing we're pulling out of the box is the travel bag. This is one of my favorite things that comes with this stroller. You don't have to buy another one to add it on to your stroller package. This comes right in the box. It's really great because you can take your stroller on a plane and pack it up so that it's safe no matter where you're traveling. And here it comes. Guys, when I say this stroller is beautiful, I'm not lying. I love this stroller. So pretty. Okay, now we're revealing one of my favorite parts about Nuna is that they have their leatherette push bar and the belly bar. I love the leather detailing. I think it just brings a little ounce of luxury to strollers just to make you feel a little special. So now we're gonna put the wheels on. These are really simple. They just pop right on. Just like that. Here we have again the really beautiful belly bar. Once again, it's wrapped in vegan leather, just so pretty. Even has the Nuna logo embossed right on the front. Okay, so now we just need to add 2 more wheels and they also just pop on. You will hear a click, so you know that it is secure. And we can stand it up now. We can already see it coming together. We just need to touch the belly bar, which is another quick click. Make sure you snap on the back snaps so that the canopy is secure. Okay, and there we have it. Our Nuna TRVL Stroller is put together. Once again, the stroller is so beautiful. I'm just so excited. It's really a stunning piece to be just wheeling around, especially as you're traveling. Some things I love about the stroller is of course that it's super lightweight, really easy to use and push around. It also has the amazing self-hold, which is a feature I've never seen on any other stroller. So you just go like that and it's ready to carry. All right guys, that wraps up our video. Thank you so much for joining me. I love this stroller. You'll definitely want to check it out if you're also in the market for a lightweight stroller. Even if you don't have travel plans in the near future, this is just a great stroller to have around, especially for compact living, so I recommend checking it out. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.